Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see a new question on BST or binary search tree. So we are given two BSTs here. We need to check that whether they have exactly same elements or not, right? Now they can have different structures. Like if you see this BST has different structure and this BST has different structure. Here we have starting root here as 8 and then again other elements, and similarly for this case our root is 7 and then we have other elements. So if you see here also we have 6 element, here also we have 6 element, and again the value of elements are also same. Like if you see here we have 2 2, then 6 6, then we have 7 7, 8 8, 15 15, 20 20, right? So though their structure are different but their exact elements are same, right? So how we can check that whether the elements are same or not of for 2BST? So whenever you talk about the BST, or whenever you have question about BST, then always try to see that how we can apply the BST property, right? Now what is the property of BST? The property of BST says that for any given node, all the elements in left subtree will be the lower than this one, and all the element in the right subtree will be greater than this one, right? So if we traverse the in order manner, then it always gives us in a particular manner, in a sorted manner, right? So what we will do, we'll basically do in order for this particular BST and we'll do in order for this particular BST. And whenever we are doing in order, we'll keep on putting the values in a list, right? We can put in list, array, hashmap, whatever you want. So here we are choosing list. So what we can do, like here is my list. So let's say this is list 1 and here I have element as list 2, right? So whenever we are doing in order, just keep on putting the element in the list. So like here, first of all we are doing in order, so it will put 2, then it will put 6, then it will put 7, then it will put 8, then it will put 15, then it will put 20, right? So these are the element for in order in the list. And for similar for list 2, let's see how it can put. So first of all, whenever doing in order, first of all it will print this one. It will not print, it will basically storing. So it will store this one, then it will store this 6, then it will store this 7, then it will store this 8, then it will store this 15, and then it will store this 20, right? So if you see, we have got our list 1 and list 2. Now we can simply compare these two lists, right? So in Java we have function like list1 dot equals list2, so which basically compare both the list. Or if you want to have a basic thing, so that you can also do, you can just have a for loop and then you can check that whether first of all you can check whether the size are equal or not. After checking the size, you can check whether the elements are same or not, right? So again in checking it will take big of n. Now what are the time complexity to solve this question? First of all we are doing in order, right? So in order it takes big of n, and here also let's say if it has n, if it has m, so here also it is really big of m element, right? So again for in order this one. Now whenever it is doing equal check, like whether the two lists are equal or not, again it will take big of n plus m, right? So if I see, the overall time complexity will be big of n plus m plus big of n plus m. So it means overall the time complexity is linear, right? So can I say the time complexity will be big of n? And about the space complexity, so because we are using this list, so if there are n plus m element, again we need our space complexity will be big of n plus m. So it means for space complexity also we can say this is big of n, where we need to store all the total elements of this one and this one. So this is about the logic. Now let me show you the code as well, how we can do that. So this is how I am creating my first binary search tree, and this is how I am creating my second binary search tree. Now I am calling a function check if 2BST contains the same element or not, where I am passing the root 1 and root 2. So here I am creating the list 1 and list 2. So I am creating the array list of which will contain the integer type. Now I am doing in order for this one, and similarly I am also calling the in order on the second tree, and I am also passing the list 1. So what is happening? So what is happening that in order generally we print the value. So rather than printing the value, we are just storing the values in the list, right? Other things remain same. So this is simply in order. This is simply in order. It's just that I am putting the values in a list, right? So once you have put all the values in the list, what we can do, we can simply check that if list1 dot equals list2 or not, and if they are equals, then it will return true. If they are not equal, then it will return false, right? So we are using the Java functions here equals. If you don't want, then you can just check the whether the size is equal or not, and then you can check that whether the elements are equal or not. So we can have a for loop and then we can check it, right? So this is how we can solve the question, and if you have any doubts, then please write in the comment section. I will try to explain that, and I will also put the source code into description section, so if you want, then you can also get it from there. So that's it, and if you have liked the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.